Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your Huawei watch to a Redmi phone in 2025 might seem tricky, but it's absolutely possible. Many people experience compatibility headaches when trying to pair devices from different manufacturers, causing frustration. Our easy-to-follow guide will walk you through each step, making the process smooth. You'll soon enjoy all the smart features of your watch, seamlessly integrated with your Redmi phone. It really is simpler than you think. Before you begin, always ensure both your Huawei watch and Redmi phone are fully charged. This prevents any interruptions during the setup process. Next, you need to download the official Huawei Health app. Make sure you get the correct and most updated version specifically for your Android device, often found outside the Google Play Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Redmi phone and confirm it's discoverable. With your devices ready, open the Huawei Health app on your Redmi phone. This is where the magic starts. Within the app, you'll find a Clear Devices tab. Tap on it to proceed. From there, select Add Device, and a list of available Huawei wearables will appear. Simply pick your specific Huawei watch model from this list to initiate the connection. The app will then guide you forward. Once you've selected your watch, a pairing request will pop up on both your watch and your phone screen. Be sure to confirm this request on both devices promptly. The Huawei Health app will then smoothly guide you through any remaining final connection steps, often involving quick on-screen prompts. Remember to allow all essential permissions, enabling full functionality and seamless data synchronization between your watch and your Redmi phone. If you happen to encounter any issues during this process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Huawei watch and your Redmi phone often resolves most glitches. Crucially, always keep both the Huawei Health app and your phone's operating system updated to their latest versions. For your convenience, remember to check our video description. We've included direct links to download the most recent, compatible app versions there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.